Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Sweta'sBeautyVanity I. Hope you guys are doing well and staying safe. So in today's video I'm going to share this makeup look which is really easy, user friendly, beginner friendly, but really attractive as you can see. So in today's video I'm going to share all the details about this look using few new makeup products which I have purchased recently. So guys, if you want to know how I achieved this look then please बने रहिए मेरे चैनल पे और इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखते रहिए. एंड इफ यू हैवंट सब्सक्राइब टू माय चैनल डू सब्सक्राइब इट. उसके साथ साथ प्लीज़ फॉलो मी ऑन माय फेसबुक एंड इंस्टाग्राम बिकॉज आई एम रियली एक्टिव ओवर देयर. सो गाइज चलो अभी स्टार्ट करते हैं आज की वीडियो. राइट गाइज, दिस इज़ माय बेयर फेस. नाउ लेट्स बिगिन द मेकअप. सो टू बिगिन विद मैं अपने पूरे फेस पे मॉइस्चराइज़र अप्लाई करूँगी. यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ निविया मॉइस्चराइज़र विच इज़ डबल्ड एज अ प्राइमर. बिफोर अप्लाइंग द फाउंडेशन इट्स रियली इंपॉर्टेंट टू अप्लाई द मॉइस्चराइज़र सो दैट कि जो भी फाउंडेशन हम लोग अप्लाई करेंगे बाद में वो बहुत अच्छे से ब्लेंड हो जाए और एक स्मूथ फिनिश आ जाए. सो गाइज, आज की जो मेकअप है आई वांटेड टू बी वेरी ग्लोई एंड डूई. सो फॉर दैट बिफोर अप्लाइंग द फाउंडेशन मैं ये एक्स्ट्रा स्टेप कर रही हूँ. यहाँ पे मैं लॉरा गेलर की ये इल्यूमिनेटिंग ड्रॉप अपने हाईएस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ फेस में अप्लाई करूँगी. सो गाइज, नाउ इट्स टाइम टू अप्लाई द फाउंडेशन. और एज अ फाउंडेशन आज मैं यूज़ करूँगी माई न्यूली परचेज फाउंडेशन विच इज़ फ्रॉम शुगर कॉस्मेटिक्स. इट्स कॉल्ड इज द फेस फाउंडेशन. इट इज़ इन स्टिक फॉर्म एज यू कैन सी और इट कम्स विद अ kabuki brush, small head kabuki brush like so. So before blending the foundation I like to use a little bit of makeup setting spray all over my face so that कि blending process थोड़ा सा easy हो जाए. Although it blends really well without setting spray. without setting spray मैंने test out किया है. It gives you a buildable and full coverage finish but it doesn't look heavy or cakey on your skin, on your face. बहुत सारे full coverage foundation में ये problem है but इसमें ऐसा कुछ problem नहीं होगा. I like to use more and more so that I can understand it better. And so far I'm liking it. Now to draw and fill up my eyebrow. यहाँ पे मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ मिस कलर आईब्रो पेंसिल. I really like this product since last 5-6 months. I have been using it constantly. Firstly, it's a really affordable option and secondly इसकी जो quality है it gives a natural eyebrow look. So after applying it on my eyebrow, इसकी जो brush end है उसकी मदद से मैं eyebrow product को बहुत अच्छे से spread out करूँगी पूरे eyebrow पे. Now to carve out my eyebrow and give it a crisp and clean look, मैं eyebrow के border line पे concealer apply कर रही हूँ and by that process you can definitely get a professional eyebrow look. Now to hide the dark circles and to brighten up the under eye area मैं यहाँ पे कंसीलर यूज़ करूँगी और एज अ कंसीलर मैं यूज़ कर रही हूँ NYX Photogenic HD Concealer. I forgot the actual shade name. It will be mentioning in my description box below. You can check that out. So after applying it मैं एक kabuki ब्रश की मदद से बहुत अच्छे से प्रोडक्ट को ब्लेंड करूँगी. And after that to set the foundation and concealer and everything on my face I'm using Fit Me loose finishing powder all over my face. Now to give a structured definition and as my contouring product today I'm using Lovecraft Beauty bronzer as my contouring product today. And with the help of a angular brush I'm going to use this product onto the hollow of my cheekbone, down below the jawline and below the hairline. And with the same product I'm going to contour my nose as well. Now to diffuse the harsh lines of the contour, जो मैंने kabuki brush यूज़ किया था to apply the powder on my face. जो भी लिप टूपर प्रोडक्ट है उसके मदद से मैं कंटूर लाइन को थोड़ा सा ब्लेंड आउट करूँगी so that कि it looks natural in real life. So guys, now it's time to put the highlighter on and the highlighter which I'm using in this makeup look it's a new purchase and it's a new launch from Wet n Wild. The range is called blush lighter as it consists of a blush and highlighter but the shade which I have दोनों की दोनों शेडिंग मुझे highlighter जैसे ही दिख रहा है. The darker shade it looks like a bronzy highlighter. You can use these two individually, or you can mix these two and you can use as your highlighter. I really like this highlighter so far. It doesn't give you a chunky glittery look. It blends really well. If you're someone who likes to use intense and beaming highlighter, definitely go for. And from my first impression, I can say that it definitely can beat the most expensive highlighter which I have. एंड एज अ ब्लशर मैं आज यूज़ करूँगी ये कोरली पिंक की ब्लश फ्रॉम लैक्मे. इट इज़ फ्रॉम देयर 9 to 5 रेंज. इट्स नॉट अ न्यू लॉन्च बट आई रिसेंटली परचेस्ड इट एंड आई एम गोइंग टू डू अ रेड लिपस्टिक लुक टुडे एंड विथ रेड लिपस्टिक दिस टाइप ऑफ ब्लश रियली गोज वेल. आज की जो आई लुक है बहुत ही सिंपल होने वाला है. आई एम गोइंग टू क्रिएट अ ग्रीन विंग्ड आईलाइनर लुक, बट बिफोर दैट आई नीड टू प्रेप माई eyelid. To mattify my eyelid, I am going to use a compact powder onto the entire eyelid, and then to define my crease, I am going to use a reddish brown color, as you can see. Now to create a wing eyeliner, I picked up this liquid liner from Nykaa. Again, it's a new purchase, but unfortunately I forgot the name. The actual name and shade name will be available in the description box below, guys. Please check that out. The shade is darkest green. It almost looks like a black on screen. I really enjoyed using this liner because इसकी जो brush end है बहुत ही thin है, and with this type of brush end you can create different eyeliner looks. So yes, I also love this product so far. So guys, now to finish up the whole eye look, मुझे mascara apply करना है both upper and lower lashes, and for that I'm using Color Bar Zoom and Hush mascara, which I purchased recently. It's a old launch and my old favorite. I started using it again. The main attraction of this mascara is it has two wands, one for your upper lash and one for your lower lash. It gives length and volume both onto your lashes. Guys, I highly recommend this product to you guys. So guys, now it's time to put the red lipstick on, and the liquid red lipstick which I am applying in this video, it's from Maybelline. The shade name is Flush Red. Details आपको नीचे description box में मिल जाएगा. I really love to use this liquid lipstick as because it's not drying. The formula is very comfortable on lips. It gives you a full coverage red color, and it's very comfortable on lips. So I highly recommend this liquid lipsticks. It has multiple shades in this range, so guys, you can definitely check that out. Now to set the whole makeup and make it long lasting, sweat proof and wash proof, I need to spray makeup setting spray, and the one which I'm using here is from MAC. So guys, it's really important step. Please don't skip it. So guys, this is the final look, final result. I hope you found this video helpful, found my mini review helpful. If you have anything to ask, please reach out to me. You can comment me below in the comment section, or you can reach out to me on my Instagram and Facebook because I'm really active over there. So guys, that's for today. I'll be back here soon with another exciting video. Until then, stay happy, stay beautiful, and stay healthy. Bye bye.